Evaluating shaft-based cleanliness with the SQUID, the Shaft Quantitative Inspection Device. SQUID is lowered to the bottom of a drilled excavation by attaching to the rig's Kelly bar or on a crane line with a suitable additional weight. If the excavation base is not clean, the SQUID's contact plates will be unequally supported by debris, and the penetrometer's force will produce measurements as they contact the bearing material. Once final base cleanout is completed, the SQUID measures a change from debris to bearing material over a short contact plate movement. On the surface, the SQUID tablet displays plots comparing penetrometer force and contact plate displacement. The inspector evaluates the plots to determine the cleanliness. This plot shows a force displacement curve with minimal contact plate movement and high resistance on hard rock.